Hi guys, today I want to make some roasted butternut soup. My husband requested for this roasted butternut soup and that's the video for today. I hope you're going to enjoy it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment and share the video with your friends and family. My husband doesn't like a lot of spice in his food, so I'm just going to drizzle the butternut with some oil. I ran out of olive oil, but this one is canola oil, so I'm just going to drizzle some oil. Then I'm going to add some salt. Then rub everything. So I'm going to roast this on 230 degrees. I've already preheated the oven for 1 hour. Then I'll be back to do more stuff. In the meantime, I'm going to cut some onions, then fry them in this pot. I'm going to add in also some chicken stock to make the stock that I'm going to add in the butternut. The butternut is still roasting, so that when it's roasted, I can add the stock, the chicken stock, then blend everything together. So I'm going to serve this roasted butternut with some grilled chicken. I'm just going to cook only this much onion. I don't want a lot of onion in the soup. That will be an onion soup rather than butternut soup. Like I said, my husband doesn't like spices, so I'm just going to put some salt and leave it like this. Okay guys, the butternut is ready. It's nice and soft. So I'm going to blend everything in here.
I wake up every day as flesh and bones, humble alone, weak on my own. Lord, you love me bare and natural.
Then I'm going to take the chicken stock and pour it in here.
Love to you in all I do. You're my
Then blend.
Perfection to be pleasing in your sight is my soul. Go in this life, but there's no pressure.
It smells so good. I'm just going to blend one more time and then it's done.
So I don't have to be perfect. You are. We try our best, but sometimes we fall short. It's part of our desire. It's what we need God for. No record keeping, no, He won't take score. Just standing.
Look how nice and creamy it looks, guys. It's looking nice, so nice. And just going to taste just a little bit to taste if the salt is fine. I think I need to add just a little bit of salt. So I'm going to leave this on the stove on low heat to just heat it up again and add in a little bit of salt.